All right, I apologize. My computer is still broken, and so I had to do this on paper. So, non-Euclidean geometry is defined as lines remain at a constant distance from each other, and these lines are known as parallels. It was named after Euclid, and it was widely accepted in the 19th century. Non-Euclidean developed after Euclid's Elements were written, and from those elements we got 23 definitions, 5 common notions, and 5 postulates. Euclid's famous fifth postulate, or parallel postulate, states, if a straight line falls on two straight lines in such a manner that the interior angles on the same side are together less than the two right angles, then the straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on the side on which are the angles less than the two right angles. Many attempted a contradiction, and someone in the 11th century, 12th century, and 13th century, and the 18th century tried to do that. These challenges really influenced John Wallis. From the attempts, other postulates were formed. Some were equivalent, but no logical contradiction was found. One of the postulates came from the contradiction was the sum of the angles in a triangle increase as the angle of a triangle decreases. The area of a triangle decreases. In 1766, Lambert wrote, but did not publish, an article in which he tried to write a proof to the fifth postulate. In 1813, Gauss helped to create non-Euclidean geometry. Hyperbolic geometry was discussed, and in 1854, Riemann helped to develop elliptic geometry. Gauss was the first one to really call his work non-Euclidean geometry. And these two guys were authors of non-Euclidean geometry.